Rates fall and signals pointing to a rapid start for 2024. We have that covered and more in this week's report. As always, thanks for taking a few minutes to join us for our last weekly market report of the year. I know, hard to believe. We're going to share our real-time insights into our local market today. So let's dive in. First up, we'll start with mortgage rates. They've continued to fall into what is likely a go zone. We feel like anything in the 6% range is going to bring a lot of buyers off the sidelines in 2024. So this is pretty big news. If rates stay here, it could get pretty competitive in the new year, especially if inventory stays suppressed. Speaking of that, new listings following the typical mid-December trend, yet still depressed by about 15% year over year. And here's local contract activity. Kind of been a yo-yo these last 4 weeks, but when you smooth it out, it's pretty much level with contracts for the same period last year. The difference is a lot less new listings for those buyers to choose from. So showing report, a great leading signal because showings are active buyers that are going to become under contract buyers in the upcoming weeks and months. Showing traffic remains on par with 2021, not 2022. So we are getting less inventory than we did last year. Sales pace is about the same, but traffic is much higher. So when you piece all that together, and we really do have the makings for what is likely going to be a pretty rapid market as we move into the new year. Here's off-market activity. These are sellers that took their home off the market without finding a buyer. Sound a little bit like a broken record here, but still very few homes leaving the market without finding a buyer. Let's talk about balance in the market. 60% here represents a balanced market, little spike with the reduction in new listings last week. And when you add in off-market activity, we get a very similar type of reading. So to recap, buckle up. The data all really points to what should be a rapid and competitive market in early 2024. Thanks again for joining us this week, and we wish you all a wonderful holiday season, and we'll be back in the new year.